finally carved out the time to make what I lovingly call James's Amazing Technicolor Dream Hoodie. I'm going to show you how you can put one of these together yourself for less than $100. Obviously, the main ingredient is a black zip-up hoodie. The next two things that you're going to need is the LED tape. The LED tape, importantly, is individually addressable. It's 12 volts and it's waterproof. The waterproof is the silicone tubing that you can see around it. It helps protect the LED tape. The individually addressable bit means that it can do a lot like the Arduino controlled or programmable. That's the programmable part of the LED tape where you see that makes it able to do the really cool patterns. If it wasn't programmable, it'd be like other LED tape that they use for under cabinet lighting and things like that. Even they have it at my grocery store on the gum display. And all of these have to be the same color. Cool thing about this, as you just saw, it has 300 different patterns. So to get it to do those patterns without having to do any programming, you need an LED controller. They make a couple of these. I really like the SP103. It comes with a little remote. You can just set it and forget it. You hit the auto button is my favorite, and then it just goes through all 300 different animations with the LEDs. The nice thing is it's also no soldering, it's plug and play. The LED tape, it's like an extension cord, input and output. The input I wire through the one pocket so I can rest the battery, the LED controller, and everything right in here, even the remote that controls it. And it's called a JST connector. It just clicks on. This tape comes with it soldered in. This controller comes with it right on the end. The only important note is this is all 12 volt. This is 12 volt LED tape. This is a 12 volt SP103 controller. And then the last ingredient, this is the 12 volt lithium ion battery. So you simply turn this on and it goes. It's incredible. When you're putting this together, I'll give you in the description where you can find everything that you need, the battery, the controller, and the right kind of tape. Importantly, and I got this from a video by Rainbow Girl, who also put together an LED outfit, you want to use safety pins. I also ordered black safety pins, which will look a lot nicer than the silver ones, which are a little bit more glaringly obvious that it's safety pin in. With the safety pins, this can move, this can flex. And if you tried, and you can see evidence from where I tried to sew this in earlier, if you sew it in, it'll short circuit because it's too tightly bound. When you move around in clothing, it changes and it flexes. So the safety pins allow the LED tape to act more like they're in the cloth. So don't sew it in, don't glue it in, don't tape it in, use safety pins. They're the best. That is definitely the strategy to utilize. So that's it. You lay out the hoodie, you lay whatever pattern you want to use to put it on pants or on clothing or whatever you want to do, and then safety pin it in. You attach the controller, you attach the battery, and with the 12 volt on everything, it's really plug and play. So there you have it. I'm going to do another video after this which shows you every single one of the animations.